What's good, everybody? DRELAMARR back at it with another one. And as you've seen from the thumbnail, today we will be installing the N2MB wide open throttle box on Project Scar right here. And for those of you that follow the channel, you know when I straight pipe Scar, I left it up to you guys and whether or not we're going to install wide open throttle box so we can shoot flames out of Scar, man. And yeah, I mean, for the most part, people said go ahead and do it. So that's what we doing today, man. You know, no lift shift, two-step, and shooting flames. So let's go ahead and get to this installation. Even though it's a lot of videos out there, I haven't did it. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you how I do it. So let's get it. First thing I gotta do is disconnect this good battery. So my general plan of attack today will be to, I'm gonna put the wire the box and get all the wires where they need to be before I do anything. So what we've done so far is routed the, as you can see this green wire, we gotta tuck it a little better. Not this permanent right now, we gotta tuck away everything, but it's kind of everything, all the wires are where they go. So for this side, we have our ground, which we're gonna put here. We have blue and yellow, which go here to the PCM. We have our green wire routed through the radio coming to this side. And we have our two orange wires. And instead of going under the dash like everybody else, I went through the door. If you can see, those two wires slide around there. And snake around and come up through here. Kind of hit it under here and boom, I can go right here. So my back hurting way too much to try to get up under that dash and try to find a harness, take the wheel off, and do all that. I ain't feel like doing all that. So I found an alternate route. Now let's get to the wiring. Now moving along, we got this bolt off here, the two down there, and the one holding the bracket. Pulled the PCM down and got the harness off, took the cover off the harness, and now that blue wire there is the crank position sensor. Now we're gonna wire the WOT box wire to that and take it from there. All right, got my blue wire here to the gray and white wire in pin 89, and I have my yellow wire here in pin 21, which is a dark blue wire. As you can see, 26, 25 all the way down, and 89 is over there. So I'm just button it on up. Put the ground, I'm gonna put the ground right here, and then we'll get on to the clutch pedal. Okay, under the dash, you guys can see. I hope I got the right wire. I fed off the, can we see which one? Yeah, so that's the clutch wire and pin 34 right here is red, so you put the red going to the fuse and the orange going to the other side, which goes to the coils. And if you see on the injectors here, they're red. All right, so it's the next day, and as you see, soldered that wire and soldered that one. Also did the two in the engine bay. Just got to do the clutch wire and wrap them up. Start it up. All right, got it all buttoned up. As you see, boxes in here, working. So to test and make sure it works, gas pedal all the way down. Gas pedal down, hit clutch. Gas pedal down, hit clutch. Seems to be working. Firing up. Flash my settings on here. Here's the settings I'm gonna start with. Got the launch control 3500. Got the rev limiter at 5,000. And other than that, everything should be default except for I changed the no lift shift time to 550 instead of the default 350 because I seen online they say it make it shoot bigger fireball. So let's go see. These are the settings that got me the biggest flame so far. Put the RPM at 4,000 and took the auto off the no lift shift and put it at 550, excuse me. And yeah, big bang. So I don't know what settings I had it on wrong, but it was shooting flames and backfiring a little too much when I was driving. I had to pull over and change the settings. So yeah, that's that.